Welcome to 5 o'clock Friday, where the purpose of our dishes is to embolden the home cook to create simple, elegant dishes and to show you that cooking does not have to be frightening and that you can create beautiful meals, beautiful side dishes, beautiful cocktails without difficulty or too much extra time. Today we're going to be making a small menu for something like a brunch. Hi, today we are going to be making some essential oil infused spicy potato salad. So I have already cubed and boiled 7 new potatoes. I left most of the skin on because I like that. If you don't, you can go ahead and peel them all the way before you cook them. You should boil for somewhere between 8 and 10 minutes. You don't want them so mushy that they're falling apart. Just a little bit fork tender. They need to retain most of their structure because we are going to be making potato salad out of them. So right here in my pan, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of Wolfberries. All right, 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to kind of eyeball. All right, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flake. All right, and I'm going to put this on the stove and we're just going to cook and stir for about 2 minutes. All right, so we have cooked and stirred our 1 cup of Wolfberries, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flake, and 2 cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil for 2 minutes. Now we are going to toss in 2 teaspoons of turmeric. It's going to give us a beautiful color. And we're going to put our potatoes right here in this bowl. Because all this is fixing to go back on the stove. All right, so now we are tossing and we're getting this beautiful golden turmeric color distributed over all our potatoes. So now we are going to add 1 cup each parsley, cilantro, and dill. Okay, all of this is going to go back on the stove and we're going to stir and cook over medium for 4 more minutes. All right, so here we are back. We've been on the stove for 4 minutes incorporating our turmeric and all of our beautiful fresh herbs. And now we are going to mix 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, 2 drops of Coriander Young Living Essential Oil, 1 drop of black pepper, and 4 drops of lime. All right, I'm gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna drizzle all of that right over our potato salad. We're going to give it a good mix. And add a little salt and pepper. All right, and then we're going to plate and then we're going to taste. All right, essential oil infused spicy potato salad. All right, and now we're going to taste. It's perfect. Not too spicy. Just enough of a kick, and you can really taste the coriander, black pepper, and the lime. It just gives it such a nice, full, rich flavor. And the Wolfberries, you know, just a little bit of sweetness. I think it'll be a great addition to anything that you're going to do for the holidays. It's a nice, lighter version of a potato salad without all of the mayonnaise, which I love. I was raised in the South and I can eat some mayonnaise, but this is just a little bit healthier way to do your potato salad. And it's fantastic. I think you're gonna love it. All right, we are gonna make a fruit dip. This is quick and simple and easy to make on the go if you're having folks over last minute or couldn't think of anything to make last minute. This works really well. I've got 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, so that's 1 whole block of softened cream cheese right there. And we're gonna put in an entire jar of marshmallow fluff, marshmallow cream, whatever you wanna call it. Boop. Going right in. Ooh. So that's an 8-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. All right, and we're gonna stir that in. You could do this in an electric stand mixer, but it gets really sticky and kind of binds up on the little mixer head. So by hand is usually a little bit easier to clean, easier to serve. Okay. We're going to do a tablespoon of lemon juice. So I'm just going to go like this so I can catch any seeds that may come out. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I find that that is roughly a capful. If you want to be precise, you certainly can. I am usually not. And then we're going to add 2 to 3 drops of citrus fresh essential oil right there. Brighten it right up. And we're just going to fold and mix until everything's incorporated. All right, we've gotten it all mixed. We've got our lovely fruit dip, and it just so happens that we have some lovely fruit. And I make sure we like the way this came out. Yay. Sweet, creamy, fantastic. I mean, an excellent complement to any fruit tray at your next gathering. Hi there. All right, so our cocktail today is going to be a sweet vermouth cobbler. And the way we're going to do that, get a highball glass, 2 slices of orange. We're going to go right in here. With 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we're just going to muddle that until the juices are released from the orange slices. All right, we have muddled 2 slices of orange with our tablespoon of sugar. So all those juices are released. We're going to discard the slices. So we just want to leave the juice. All right. To this, we are now going to add 3 ounces of sweet vermouth. All right. And then we're going to make it look cute. So we're going to put a 3rd orange wedge right up here against the glass. We're going to fill this with ice about 2/3 of the way. And then we're going to top that with some seltzer water. And there we are. A sweet vermouth cobbler. Oh, that is fantastic. Yeah, it's like a sweet orange sparkly punch. That's fantastic. Yay. All right, we are gonna make a dill dip. I have 16 ounces of sour cream, right ya. To this, we are going to add a tablespoon of fresh cut dill and 2 teaspoons of fresh cut chives. And we're just going to mix that in. Okay. A pinch of salt. And up to 10 drops of Dill Vitality Essential Oil. I say up to 10 because maybe 10 might be a little too much for you. I think we're gonna go with, that was somewhere between 6 and 8. All right. We're just gonna make sure everything's nice and incorporated. That's beautiful. All right. And we have a very nice veggie dip that will be a hit at any party. All right, well, we are gonna make a simple dessert, but it is beautiful and classic. So I've got 2 pears here, and they're nice and firm. You don't want mushy pears if you're going to bake, and we are today. We're gonna make some walnut and honey baked pears. So I'm just cutting these in half, or as close to half as I'm getting tonight. And I've got a melon baller, and we're just gonna scoop the seeds and some of the center out. And we're gonna make some little boats to put our filling in. So we're just hollowing out all these pears. All right, we have our pears in our baking dish. I'm gonna make them look flower-like because that's cute. Okay, now here's what we're gonna stuff them with. I've got a 1/4 cup of crushed walnuts. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's about 1. That's about 2. We're gonna add 3 drops of cinnamon Vitality Essential Oil. All right, we're gonna mix, mix, mix. All right, and now we're gonna stuff our pears. So this is a quick, elegant, easy dessert that you can take to a last minute gathering, that you can make any evening of the week. If you don't have a ton of time, you don't have time for a cake or brownies or cookies or whatever, you can put this together super fast and it'll go with just about any type of entertainment evening that you've got planned. All right, so there we are, our cute little honey and walnut stuffed pears. We're going to drizzle on a little more honey, and then I'm just going to give them a dusting of ground cinnamon. All right, and this is going into a 350-degree oven for half an hour. All right, our pears are ready, and we're going to get them out of the oven. Here we are. They've been in a 350-degree oven for half an hour, and they are beautiful golden brown and delicious on the top. And there we have it, one beautiful dessert that will go so well with your Thanksgiving meal, even if you think that cooking is difficult or you're just not one that does it often. This is simple, easy, and elegant.